Okay, man. Okay. Now we are happy that the GBP USD that I analyze, as in, everybody got to go buy that. Now, dance to our tune, man. That I told you, every kind of details I give to you, sometimes I bring reversal strategy, reversal signal, but today, let's forget about the GBP USD because, man, I finish with that right now. Since it's down to our tune, it's going our way. We're happy with it. That's nice. Now, today is Friday, man. So what I'm looking to take next week from Monday is this audjpy that I'm looking at it like, it's sold. It started selling. Okay, we got the first breakout, pull back and breakout. So then we need the next reversal to get to this point that I'm pointing at. Let me bring this thing that I'm pointing out. This point, I got my sell because this is where we're gonna sell. Okay, we're gonna sell from here. That's why you see that. I have my entry already at this point. 1 point. It's not even 1 point. It's 81.116. I got my sell. Sell what? Let me show you. Sell. It's a sell limit order I put in there. And you know what? This order I put here is a trade I will take and leave it for 1 week. You understand? That's why it's 2.50. Because it's 1 week. I'm going to leave this for 1 week. You understand? So everything I'm waiting for right now is that this one should just retrace back to this red and pick this order and start pushing down. Continue to sell. So what we're saying here is that we got a new signal, a trend continuation. We need a pullback to this point, and we're going to continue to sell. So from Monday, the AJ retrace to this point at 1.116 to pick our order and continue to sell. Now, our take profit, well, for take profit, you can target like 100 pips because this one can go like 100 pips. This is 1 hour time frame. This can go like 100 pips. You can take 100 pips. But based on this course, if you are that trader who follow the trend, this one can go like 500 pips before this green will cross this one I'm touching here, this aqua whatever. It goes like 500 pips. So if you don't want to be doing that, like, okay, retracement, I want to re-enter, then you let it continue. But if you feel like, okay, you want to do like take 100 pips and leave, take it and leave. That's okay. Alright? But the way I trade my own is I take this trade, I put it in here for 1 week, and I have a trailing that trails it. Once it break even, a trailing will trail it. Once I'm knocked out from anywhere, I'm okay with it. Another week, I take another pair. So this is just a quick recap of AJ. So take care and thank you.